Rektic is an all-in-one AI writing assistant that helps you write, collaborate, and manage blog posts that rank high on search engines. Rektic makes it easy for you to create, collaborate, and manage your entire editorial workflow on a single platform. You'll also be able to analyze your competitors to see what's working for them and use similar strategies to boost your ranking, even if you've already created your content. This tool can help you analyze each post's readability and keyword density. Getting started is a breeze. Just enter your main keyword and Rektic takes care of the rest. You'll be able to generate your article's title, summary, and meta description in just a few clicks. Plus, this tool suggests the most relevant keywords, so you can better understand people's search intent and prioritize key trends in your content. Rektic can even identify the most asked questions by internet users, letting you know what sections to cover. Generate an outline with relevant points that match your main topic and your audience's search intent. This smart assistant also prepares detailed briefs that you can share with your team for seamless project collaboration. Best of all, Rektic lets you generate long-form text for blog sites and website copy. You can even regenerate the text until you're satisfied with the output. You'll be able to publish highly optimized content that boosts conversions, even when you have writer's block. Using this tool's powerful plagiarism checker, you can also test your content for originality and post drama-free. Rektic gives you everything you need to manage the entire editorial process, so you can churn out winning content that ranks high every time. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Rektic today.
Hi, and welcome to Rektic, the one tool to manage your blog content from idea to publication. If you are a large company or small business and you want to increase traffic to your website, Rektic is the perfect solution for you. Today, we're going to show you how it works. First, you go to Login Sign Up. Then, you will find our dashboard here. You can choose your night mode if you prefer to. You can import an article, but here we will create a new one. You can choose the language that you prefer, the country as well, and then you can start writing an article by choosing your keyword. We click on Save, we wait, and then Next. Here, Rektic will suggest advanced H1s. We can click on Preview, and on the right screen, we can find associated H2s. We click on Confirm my selection, and then we can start writing our article. Here we find many options in our website, like Generate Intro, Generate More, and Rewrite. Once the content is generated, we can use the SEO insights on the left of the screen to succeed in having an optimized blog article in terms of SEO. We can also find what people asked, so we can use these questions in order to optimize your article and associated researches. For an optimized competition, you can click on More Details to use the best article positioned on Google with their on-page SEO analysis. It's not only limited to that. Rektic gives you more features to improve more the quality of your blog content or article. For example, you can use the plagiarism analysis. We can also find the SEO analysis. We can restart the analysis, and then we will find the problems of our article, the improvements, and the already optimized. We can also share our articles. You have the option of reader, viewer. You can now download your article in HTML mode to facilitate its integration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.